Welcome to our channel, The Planner's Way. On this series of video related to the project management, today we are going to discuss about the work breakdown structure, also known as WBS. What is WBS? WBS is a delivery-oriented hierarchical framework where we decompose our project scope into smaller. What it means if we are going to build a building, so a three-story building, then the WBS for that is we'll divide first floor, second floor, and the third floor. So we first we'll understand what the project goal is, and then we'll break down it on the layer by layer, delivery by delivery tasks, so that no scope are overrun. By outlining that, we'll understand what our final delivery are, and we'll divide into work package. For example, in the first floor, we are going to do the brick work, window work, plastering, and column beams. So it will give a crystal clear for the team what they need to do in the each phase of the project. Why do we need WBS? The first thing is we need to clarify the project scope to break down the project into smaller so that it can be manageable easily. So in the villa, if we are going to develop the two-bed building, so in the first phase we'll divide into is in the smaller package like one building and the link it, and another is improve planning and scheduling tasks. So it helps to estimate the time, cost, and resources accurately, like in the ground floor how much material we need, when do we need, how much it costs. And it is also a way of communication with your stakeholder, like by defining the clear visual structure on the WBS, that your team will understand what we are going to deliver, and anything is miss out or not will give a clear visualization about it. And another is it can give a better control and tracking for us, like to monitor the progress how much we have done, so we can track the each WBS level, so that we can find out when and how the material we require for the project, and also can find out how the project is performance regarding the time, cost, and the budget. What is the benefit of the WBS? One is the project structure, like it define all the tasks and delivery manage that help to manage the project easily, and it can be understood by your team also. Another is better planning and estimating. It helps to estimate your time, cost, and resource accurately. Like for example, if you need a plumber, we don't need it in the initial phase of the project. We need at the end of finishing phase of the project. By that way, we can plan the resource when we need it, and we estimate how much we need for the project. Another is improve communication. If we divide it into each WBS phase, it will be easy for the stakeholder to understand the where their project is. It is on track or it is on the beyond the track. Another is monitoring and the controls. Each WBS helps to track the progress easily. If you are building a house, a big three-story house, if we divide into small story, like first story, second is third story, we can find out by the small WBS in the first floor how much work has been completed. So we can measure the project performance based on the WBS level also. To clarify you more regarding the WBS, so let's take a building a house. The project first goal is we need to develop a house, and the second delivery what we can do is we need to plan and design it. We need to design like architecture design site survey to draw the architecture plan. Without completing the planning or design phase, we cannot go on foundation. And next is structure, electrical and plumbing work we need to complete, finishing and inspection and handover. By this way, we have divided the work into different WBS package, and we know what we need to do in the each phase, and the team will be aware about it, and we can plan the resources and the cost and budget by seeing the WBS level. The main key takeaway from this video is WBS helps to organize the complex project into manageable phase and deliver, so we can track the project. And also it clarify the scope, that no scope will be creep, so there will be 100% of project scope within the WS level. And it break down the structure into manageable and manageable form, so that we can allocate the budget and schedule it easily. And it also helps to track the project progress and stay aligned with the final goal. Thank you for listening this video. The next video is regarding the baseline. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. Stay tuned with our channel. Thank you for today.